Hi guys, let's now make a bat, and using Inkscape I'll be creating a bat that looks like this, and I'm going to minimize and redraw a new one for you. Okay, now the most difficult part of this bat I think would be the wing, and I'll be using a oval. Okay, as well as 4 little circles. I'm going to make a different color and create some transparency so that you can see what's going on behind the circle. Okay, so I'll put one over here, duplicate, make sure it overlaps. Okay, and another one more, and a fourth one here. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, I said that in order for path difference to work, you need to only have 2 different objects. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects, and definitely path difference will not work. So what you can do is select all these 4 circles together, do a path union first. Okay, so once this is done, make sure it is placed in front of the yellow circle and select both and do a path difference. And this will create a cutout from the main yellow oval circle. Okay, so you can flatten it. Now you can see that there's a imperfection. It's because our oval Hi guys, let's now make a bat that looks like this. Okay, I'll be using a lot of union and difference in this video, and let's now start. I'm going to put a bat at one side and redraw a new one for you. The most difficult part of the bat I would think is the wings. Okay, so I will be starting with the wings first. I'll draw an oval. Okay, and gonna make it opaque. Okay, and I'm gonna draw 4 circles. Gonna change the color and make it transparent. Okay, translucent, and I'm gonna place it here. Okay, so duplicate this 4 translucent circles. Make sure it covers the bottom of the purple color ellipse, and yeah, here you go. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, I did say that path difference will not work if you have more than 2 objects. Right now in total I have 5 objects, and definitely path difference will not work. So in order for it to work, I will be selecting these 4 circles, do a path union first. It will become 1 object only, and together with this purple ellipse is a second object. So I'm going to select both and do a path difference. As you can see, the difference tool has worked, and this is the first wing on the left. So how are you going to get the second wing on the right? You're going to duplicate. Okay, so duplicate it, and it needs to be flipped horizontally. So either you use this button or you just press H on the keyboard. Okay, so you're done for the wings. Can resize or rotate. Okay, now I'm going to put these 2 together, near each other, and I'm going to draw the body of the bat. Now as you can see, the body of the bat is also made up of circles over and sharp corners like this. So how you're gonna do this, I can show you. First, I'll be drawing the face. Okay, I'm gonna increase the opacity only later on, and I'll be drawing the body. Now for union, you can have as many objects as you want. It does not limit to 2. Okay, so not to worry. It should be higher up. Okay, so now I have 2 objects. I'm gonna make a third one. Okay, so the third one I'll be using bezel tool, and I'll be drawing it. Okay, so it will look like this, starting from inside the circle. Okay, and now I'm going to union these 3 parts together. Using select tool, go and select 3 of these shapes and do a path union. As you can see, for union, you can have more than 2 objects coming together to be joined, and the color that is retained is the original color. Okay, so I'm gonna choose opacity, and I will have to union the entire bed before I change to the final color. Okay, do a path union. Okay, if you're okay with blue color, this shall be your final work. And remember to submit with your name and class and date. Alright, okay, so thank you for watching.